So, normally I like to wake up around 7 a.m., have a light breakfast and do some household chores, like wash the dishes or sweep the floor, or doing something like that. Then I usually do some exercise for an hour or two and have a second breakfast at about 9:30. After that, I have some spare time to do other things like my hobbies or some other things that I need to get done. Of course, my routine depends on my work. These days, I work as an English teacher, which requires me to work in the afternoon and evening, so I have plenty of time in the morning. But in the past, I used to have a 9 to 5 job, so my routine was completely different then. Every day, my brain can't function properly without a good breakfast. In fact, as I mentioned before, I usually have two breakfasts, a light breakfast when I wake up and then a bigger breakfast at around 9 or 10 a.m. I don't know how people live without breakfast.